Distinguished participants, I address you today to draw attention to the systematic human rights violations in Turkmenistan and to highlight the country's failure to fulfill its international obligations under the United Nations. Turkmenistan is a signatory to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which obligates it to uphold fundamental human rights and freedoms. Furthermore, its neutral status recognized by the UN General Assembly imposes additional obligations to comply with international rulings, particularly those issued by the UN Human Rights Committee and UN High Commissioner for Human Rights. However, in practice, Turkmenistan disregards these commitments. The UN Human Rights Committee's decision of July 9, 2024 confirmed multiple violations of the rights of Daud Kärizowyň. Yet Turkmen authorities continue to ignore this decision, demonstrating blatant disregard of international law. Moreover, following the announcement of this information, Mr. Kärizowyň and his family began receiving death threats with the clear intent that his death would eliminate the need for authorities to pay any compensation. Beyond the general lawlessness, severe violations of women's rights persist in the country. Some of the most alarming issues include domestic and sexual violence, anti-Semitism against women. This situation requires an urgent response from the international community. We call for strong pressure to ensure Turkmenistan complies with the UN decisions. Turkmenistan cannot remain unpunished for its failure to uphold international commitments. A country that signs agreements must honor them. Today at 17:00 in room 25, we hold a side event where we will present critical internal information.
What's up?